Dahil kakatapos lang po ng Miss Universe, masaya ka po ba sa naging resulta?
Controversial.
Hey guys, it's me again, Chani. We're back for another video. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Malolos, Bulacan at na-invite tayo para mag-fashion show at ilakad ang pinakagawa ng ating friend na designer na si Sir Manny Alasan na siya ang nag-design ng suit ko nung Night of Excellence. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Samahan nyo ako rito. Let's go!
Hello po.
Hello po. Wala naman. Pero ang atake natin ngayon, fresh look lang. Tapos sa hair ko, yung parang naka-brush up tapos may konting lawit dito. Para, yun kasi yung signature ni Christian Martinez eh. May lawit. What? Nanliit ako bigla. Aray ko! Kinakabahan ako guys. Di ko alam gagawin ko. First runway ko to. So guys, magsusuot na tayo ng ating suit. Let's go! Sira yung Kobe. Tapos yung shoes na susuotin natin guys is ito na mismo kasi wala na silang ibang boots na apatang ka rin ako. Kasi alam niyo naman, as a 5'7", center, kailangan natin mag-insole. Siyempre, di ba? Hirap na. Sobrang tatangkad na kasama natin, tapos mukha tayong unano. Aray ko! Hi guys, so nandito tayo ngayon at kasama natin si Miguel. When you wear Manny Alasan suit, ano yung nafe-feel mo? Tell us what you feel.
Pag sinusuot ko siya, I feel confident and parang kaya mong gawin lahat pag suot mo siya.
Exactly, di ba? Basta Manny Alasan, alam mo na yan. Di ba? May bitaw. If you know, you know. Ano yung challenging part sa backstage, bro, before you hit the runway?
Siguro sa akin yung calming my nerves. Since pag tapak mo doon, pag nakita ka na ng mga tao, go time na eh. There's no turning back.
Yes.
So ayun para sa akin.
Show us your short runway walk. Di ba?
Sige.
Okay, let's go!
IG ko is Miguel SNTG.
So guys, nandito tayo at kasama natin si Miko, ang hari ng Zingkaman. Grabe! Ayan. So isang karangalan po. So ito yung question natin, di ba? When you wear Manny Alasan suit, grabe, sobrang ganda. Bagay na bagay sa'yo. Ano yung nafe-feel mo?
Siyempre, ibang klase pag Manny Alasan. Not only in Bulacan, pero siyempre, nationwide.
Ano yung pinaka-challenging part sa backstage before you hit the runway?
Prepping pa lang siguro. Siguro yung rush ko papunta dito sa event talaga.
Show us your short runway walk.
You can follow me on IG at CRZMICO. Sa TikTok, hanapin nyo na lang ako dun. Paalat-kalat lang ako.
Baka magulat tayo, may pa-abs na to. Ano?
Sana all.
Wala pang ganun.
So guys, I'm with Axel. Ayan.
Hello guys, I'm Axel Chico and I'm from Malolos, Bulacan. Here lang din sa Bulacan. And I'm the King of the World Model Discovery 2024.
When you wear Manny Alasan suit, ano yung nafe-feel mo?
When I wear Manny Halasan collection, sobrang honor ko kasi syempre as a Pride Bulacan, professional designer.
Ano yung pinaka-challenging part sa backstage before you hit runway?
Way back 3 years ago, ano lang ako, napagtripan lang din ako ng mga barkada ko. Kaya sobrang kabado nung first time ko talaga.
Can you show us your short runway walk, brother?
Flag ko lang siguro po yung coffee shop namin dito lang, near lang sa Bulacan. Sa Hias din, malapit lang din siya sa Hias sa may Barangay Bulihan, Malolos, Bulacan. Blast of Lero ko Facebook account and TikTok, Axel Chico, and IG Axel Chico.
Hi, I'm Leah Santiago from Balagtas, Bulacan.
Ang ganda na suot mo. Parang nai-stan ako sa suot niya, guys.
Ako din, nagulat ako na ganito siya kasi nung fitting, all black lang siya. Tapos Ngayon lang inad ni Sir Manny yung mga
Yung mga accessories. When you wear Manny Halasan gown, ano po yung nafe-feel po ninyo?
Actually, whenever I wear Sir Manny's creation, I always feel beautiful, confident, and powerful. Para akong true queen every time I wear Kuya Manny.
Para kang Diyosa
Totoo.
pagsuot mo yung Manny Halasan talaga.
Tama.
Ibang-iba talaga. Pag sinabi mo Manny Halasan, pak.
Ay, totoo.
Ano yung pinaka-challenging part sa backstage before you hit runway?
Alam mo yung parang kakabahan ka na baka matapilok ka or ma-stumble ka.
Dahil kakatapos lang po ng Miss Universe kahapon, masaya ka po ba sa naging resulta?
I'm very heartbroken para kay Atisa. I felt like na she deserves a higher placement. Of course, sana nauwi niya yung corona.
Po, sino po yung top 3 ninyo sa Miss Universe kahapon?
Philippines, Cote d'Ivoire, and Venezuela.
Show us your short runway walk.
Hi, you can follow me at Santiago Lia at Instagram and Lia.Santiago on TikTok and Lia Patricia Santiago on Facebook.
So guys, I'm with Miss Beatrice, of course, the one and only. Ayan. When you wear Manny Halasan gown, ayan na, kinakabahan. Tell us what you feel.
Of course, when I wear Manny Halasan, I remember my days during Miss Universe. Malaki din ang naging part ni Sir Manny. He was the one who made my headpiece dun sa very iconic Bakunawa national costume.
Ano yung pinaka-challenging part sa backstage before you hit the runway or the pageant?
For me, siguro, there's the anxiety of not being able to perform, especially when you know that you've prepared so much for a pageant or for a show. And of course, you want to do your best and you keep on overthinking kung magagawa mo ba lahat ng piniprepare mo. From Q&A, your pasarela, your projection, lahat ng hinandaan mo for so long. That one moment, yun yung dun mo malalaman kung magagawa mo pa siya or hindi. But to combat anxiety, for me, I trust myself that, you know, kung hindi ko man maalala yung ginawa ko with the preparation that I've done, nagre-rely ako sa muscle memory.
Yes.
And I really believe na merong autopilot within us na kung hindi natin maalala yung mga pinaghandaan natin, as long as you prepared for it, there's nothing to worry about kasi kusang lalabas yan.
Exactly. Grabe. Nastan ako sa sagot, guys. Sobrang haba. Iba talaga ang mga Miss Universe. So next naman po, dahil kakatapos lang po ng Miss Universe kahapon, masaya ka po ba sa naging resulta?
Well, of course, matagal ko nang sinusuport si Atisa since the first time she joined Miss Universe Philippines and she represented the Philippines for Cosmo International. I was very confident na she'd be able to go far in the Miss Universe competition. I know all of us wished na siya yung manalo ng 5th crown ng Miss Universe for the Philippines. But third runner-up is such a huge feat na for her, and I'm so proud of whatever she's done. She did so well. Her preparation, she's worked really hard, and she made us all proud. So I'm so happy na Atisa achieved what she achieved.
Sino po yung top 3 niyo po sa Miss Universe ngayon? Very hard question.
Very controversial. Pero, of course, my first is Atisa. Syempre, Philippines bias. And Olivia, we've been following each other in Instagram for a while. Even before she joined Miss Universe, so I was also rooting for Miss Ivory Coast. And Venezuela, I was just amazed with the way she represented herself, her speech during the final Q&A.
Can you show us your short runway walk?
Oh, magra-runway ako with my national costume.
Yes.
It's not my national costume gown, it's Chelsea's national costume if I'm not mistaken. Very iconic also. But sure, itatry ko.
Okay po.
everyone! Dun sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, I'm Bea Gomez, Miss Universe Philippines 2021, and you can follow me on Instagram at Beatrice Luigi GMZ.
Guys, kinakabahan ako. Sobrang namumula ako kung nakikita ninyo. Ito yung reaction kapag nakakita ka ng isang Miss Universe na talaga namang totoong napaka-Diyosa talaga sa personal.
Sana all.
Nakaka-overwhelm and masaya na ma-interview siya. Ayun lang. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Francesca May Pacheco. I am 24 years of age and I am your Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan 2025.
When you wear Manny Halasan, tell us what you feel.
The first time that I wore Manny Halasan's gown, it was really unreal.
Ano yung pinaka-challenging part sa backstage before you hit runway?
Pinaka-challenging for me siguro knowing that parang lahat kayo magaganda. So for me, challenging siya in a way kasi alam mo yung iba talagang like they have their own poses. Pero ikaw, how will you present yourself with this creation?
Dahil kakatapos na ng Miss Universe kahapon, masaya ka ba sa naging resulta?
Well, actually, hindi ko pa napanood yung pinaka-coronation last night kasi galing ako ng lipad, so very pagod. Pero the fact that nakita ko yung look ni Atisa and narinig ko yung answer niya, sobrang linas lahat ng execution. So, I know, nilaban niya talaga tayo. And I think Atisa really represent the Philippines well. Atisa deserve all the love, not just by the Filipinos, but to every pageant fans of the world.
Last question na tayo rito. Ito kakabahan siya. Kasi si Miss Beatrice nga kinabahan kanina eh. Kasi very controversial eh.
Oh my God! Please.
So, sino yung top 3 mo sa Miss Universe ngayon?
Actually, yun nga, hindi ko pa siya totally napanood. Pero yung ibang part na napanood ko, ibang clips. Pero when it comes to face, of course, Philippines, Venezuela, and Colombia.
Show us your short runway walk.
Please follow me and my social media accounts, Francesca Pacheco, and Facebook and Instagram, Cheska Pacheco, and in TikTok, Cheska Patch.
And that it's a wrap! Grabe guys, sobrang nakakapagod and sobrang saya. My first runway experience achievement unlock na naman tayo ngayon. And thank you so much and congratulations pala sa successful runway mo, Sir Manny. Thank you so much for inviting me here. And thank you so much din sa mga models na nakilala ko kanina at sobrang friendly nila kanina, guys. Again, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos. I'm Christian Martinez. Spread love, not hate, and stay glowing. Bye, everyone!